I'll go back to the days when we first met. It was like we were in the same junior college, but we used to hardly speak. And then going back to my computer division in college, I met him, and he was the only known face to me. So I entered the class, sat with him, and from that day till date, what happened. I never look back. That one instance I can't give you where we have ever fought or something. Small tips and all come up, they rise up. But till date, he was a very good friend.
Meldon was not just a friend for me. He was like a brother. I had a bonding of near like a brotherhood. And this incident of him really shattered me. And the memorable moment with him was during the class when he used to sing opera. And sometimes he used to dance, belly dancing, and he was a very honest, fun-loving guy, and I really miss him.
Actually, I know him through Dean, Meldon. So once I met him in a bar, and he sat next to me, and he was like, yeah, Vinay, he doesn't even know me. So he sat next to me, and उसने मेरे को बोला कि like, have you seen this Harold and Kumar का movie and all? So I was like, no करके. तो बोला कि तू Harold and Kumar का कुमार लगता है ऐसा करके. So I was like, okay, I don't even know him, so that was the first day. And the next day again we met in the city. And he was like, अरे विनय तू Harold and Kumar का movie देखता है? तो I was like, yeah. तो बोला कि तू उसका Harold लगता है. So I was like very shocked and angry.
Meldon had been my friend since the semester first, and he used to sit right behind me. Before every semester exams, each and every exams, every day during the holidays that we have between two exams, every day Meldon used to call at least 4 to 5 times just to tell me he hasn't finished studying anything, and to convince me not to study because he hadn't studied anything.
Meldon was a good friend. We first became friends during a football match. Every Friday we play football in college. As time passed, weeks passed, our friendship grew closer. He became close to our group. My best experience with Meldon was our Bandra Fair trip, where 6 of us we went, and for morning to Mount Mary, and later on in the evening at Bandstand. That was our best experience with him. Little did we know that at one point of time he's with you, always talking, and the next month suddenly a tragedy occurs that he's no longer with us.
मेल्डन एक बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है मेरा. मैं उसको फर्स्ट टाइम रौनक के बिल्डिंग में मिला था जब हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. तो उसको कभी क्रिकेट खेलना आया नहीं. वो हमेशा खेलना ट्राई कर रहा था लेकिन उसको आया नहीं. फिर एक बार खेलते खेलते बॉल किधर और चला गया था तो कोई जाने के लिए रेडी नहीं था. तो हम लोग ने मेल्डन को बकरा बना के भेजा था.
We didn't interact much in our junior college days. Then when we joined engineering, I became very close. From the first day itself, I got to know his name. I got to know his habits. His smile was very unique. He smiled on every occasion, no matter what problem he had. He was with me whenever I needed him.
Meldon was a good friend of mine. I knew him when I used to play football during my first year. Whenever during the lectures, I or Ronak or Nikhil, anyone who used to sit beside a girl, smart girl, used to look from the window and say, do isharas, like patka.
Well, I met him during the 12th standard classes, and the first thing I discovered about him was his very funny personality. Like, the first person to meet during the classes was him, and when I befriended him, I really loved him. As a human being, when I approached him, he was like friendly to everybody, but he pulled everybody's legs.
बहुत अच्छा लड़का था, हमेशा सच बात करता था. कभी उसका किसी का झगड़ा मैंने देखा नहीं. सबके साथ अच्छे से रहता था. रोज मेरे साथ कॉलेज में आता था ट्रेन में से आने के टाइम घर पे. जिस दिन सुना उस दिन पूरा शॉक हो गया था. लगा ही नहीं था कि ऐसे सच में हुआ है. 3 बार प्रशांत को फ़ोन करके पूछा कि सच में ऐसा हुआ है क्या. बोला तो वैसे कैसे भाग के आ गया था.
When I joined engineering college in Palghar, I knew him. I did my first engineering practical with him, and so it was a great experience. We used to call him Pingu because he used to walk like a penguin, like the feet coming out.
This incident took place in the college. There was this guy. He slapped Meldon because he was offended by some of his words, and Meldon had this habit of pulling legs of people. So, what do you expect? Anyone would have retaliated, would have slapped him back, or would have crushed him into something else. But Meldon, he got up and he said, "ये मेरा दूसरा गाल है, इधर भी मार."
पहली बार जब कॉलेज आया था तो मेल्टन क्या था वो मुझे पता नहीं था, मतलब मैंने सुना ही नहीं था मेल्टन के बारे में। फिर एनुअल डे आया, एनुअल डे में मैंने देखा कि ये बंदा, इसका नाम मेल्टन है। तो हम लोगों ने उससे क्या बोला कि तू ना, हम लोगों ने तो उसको मजाक में बोला था। वो बंदा सचमुच टी शर्ट निकाला और बेली डांसिंग करने लगा हुआ। वो चीज़ पे मुझे बहुत हंसने आया।
मेल्टन एक अच्छा दोस्त था, पहले टाइम मिला था तभी बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंडशिप हो गया था। हाँ, एक इंसिडेंट था, लाइट मारा था तभी हम लोग सब बैठा था, सब दोस्त लोग सब सो गया। फिर बाद में मैं, मेल्टन और एक लड़का था, हम लोग तीनों बैठा था, तभी बहुत हंसाया एक जोक मार के। फिर बस सुबह के 5-6 बजे तक 1-2 घंटे में बहुत हंसाया। बस वो एक लास्ट इंसिडेंट था।
And this location, what I told you is, we had been here, Vinay, me and Meldon, we had come here, and it was a beautiful day. Spent from afternoon we were together. Every night on Facebook, I used to play games. He used to buzz me on Facebook, and it used to get minimized. And I still regret for that. I used to Meldon, pakka mat, ja abhi chupchap. And he's like, "Arey sunna. Arey pakka mat, ja." So every night he made it a point to call, message me, buzz me every night on Facebook, and before going offline he said, "Ek puppy dena yaar, ek puppy dena." So all those things now still trouble me a lot, but still I'm getting accustomed to it.
I could say what he taught me was that accept life as it is, always keep smiling. If you're in trouble or anything, just have that one smile and accept things as they are and live your life.
What he taught us was obvious: don't catch the running train. But that doesn't mean take someone's life and then teach us this.
I guess it's not only about us, it's not only about me. It's better we catch a later train and reach late home rather than reach never.
Thing is, after that incident, I think running behind trains, it's really shaken me up.
Never run behind a moment. It may cost us our life, and that's what happened with Meldon.
Now while traveling in train, I'm always aware of each and every incident of happening besides me.
बहुत अच्छा दोस्त था, इसके लिए बहुत मिस करता है।
और जब भी ट्रेन का सवाल आता है तो चलती ट्रेन तो पकड़नी नहीं चाहिए, ताकि उससे अपना भी ना नुकसान हो, ना किसी और का, ना अपने घर वालों का नुकसान हो।
मिस तो करेगा यार, अपना दोस्त था वो।
उसको मिस तो बहुत करेगा।
I can't miss those days when we used to pee in the same loo, we used to get together and go into the loo, pee together. All that is to happen. So it will be difficult for me to cope up without him in college.